Today we're reviewing a Tampa Bay, Florida-based heating and air company we've turned inside and out, providing local residents with a helpful industry review of AIRMASTERS of Tampa. The AIRMASTERS team is amongst the most respected in the HVAC industry, and their company grades out with excellent marks with outstanding customer support, with reputable reviews and testimonials to support them. Do you live in the Tampa or within the surrounding metro area? Are you in need of heating and air services? Then call AIRMASTERS today. Learn more about AIRMASTERS by calling or visiting them online today. You'll be glad that you did. Thanks for watching.